Hey again, everybody. Sunday, December 14th. Here's the Astro Excel chart for the coming week. We've bottomed out down in the minus 20 area down here, and we're going to start pushing up right after the open tonight, Sunday night. We got a nice move up to the plus 15 area, which comes in on Tuesday about 2 a.m. And then we're moving down all the way through Tuesday and Wednesday, the 16th and 17th, where we bottom out just before midnight on the 18th. And then we've got a gradual drift up and sideways through the rest of the week, Thursday and Friday. So end of the week, not a lot of pressure there, hovering the zero line. So that's kind of non-directional. The blue line spikes coming in. First one comes in tonight here at 8 p.m. And then we don't have another one till Tuesday at 5 a.m. Wednesday early morning, 3 a.m. Then another one spike low at 8 a.m. Then we're kind of sideways. We come down again on the 18th for a spike low at 1300. One just missed here. Next one is Friday 9 a.m. Then a peak at 1 p.m. 1300, and that's it for the week.